My urban garden is just like Little Mama's lip gloss. It is popping. So I have my carnivorous plants, which are about to flower. I have my Asiatic lilies, just all in different stages. I have pollinators and compost and all of the types of projects that I am working on. But it looks like two of my pots, specifically an elderberry and a cabbage collard, has fallen off this ledge and it cannot get up. So I go ahead and assess the damage, add soil where I need to. That's kind of boring, right? I'm not going to show you that part. I'm going to show you the part we really want to talk about: watering. Watering in an urban environment can be distressing because you're carrying around buckets of water and you're trying to not slosh it all over and make a big mess and like not even show the people online how long you've been gone by speeding a video up and not editing out how long you've been gone to fill a bucket back up with water to re-water everything. So here's a couple of things to consider. Be mindful of how your water flows when you're watering pots, because since I live on the second floor, I don't want to upset my neighbors by dropping water on them. So I bribe them with produce. 2, check out your weather and make sure you're not watering for no reason. And then lastly, if you're like, my pots are going to be on the ledge and fall off, fill them up with rocks so they'll be heavy.